I'm Steve from Longview, Washington, and I bought a Armstrong Steel building. I'm a retired dentist. I practiced for almost 40 years and spent most of my life in Longview here, other than training in Seattle and St. Louis, Missouri. Lived here all my life. The building is 28 feet by 43 feet. This building is obviously being used as a boathouse and giant man cave. I chose Armstrong Steel because I very impressed with your personnel and felt very confident with your company. Picked a steel building. I like the feel of a kind of a more open, lighter, brighter space and ease of construction versus a wood construction. I feel like the quality of the Armstrong building is top notch. It's indestructible. It's low maintenance, and the construction quality with the different materials that they used and surfaces, the galvanized purlins and girts was a big factor in their quality. We had to stage this at a friend's property about 1.5 miles away because all of the components for this had to come to a hoist, be hoisted onto a floating dock, and then floated down to this location where things were built. The building is a little unique because it's obviously floating on water, which makes things a little difficult to build with a moving platform instead of a stationary land platform. But it's a little bit unique because it's a all-season building. We have a mini split. I've got dehumidification. It's a comfortable space all year round. Felt I was in control of the design, and whenever you're building something, you always have ideas that come on later, and so the design team made certain changes, no problem. Armstrong was very quick in providing me with all the information and the changes in design and that I needed to build a building. It was fast. Yeah, I feel like the quality of the Armstrong building is top notch, very cost effective compared to wood. The lumber prices were really going through the roof at the time, and I'd already purchased this, so it was very cost effective. The energy efficiency, just with a little bit of insulation, there's like R14 in the ceiling and R10, 11 in the walls, and I can keep this building in the dead of winter 60 degrees for less than $100 a month. Yeah, we always receive compliments. Anybody who walks in the building, whether they're construction people or electrical people, they're very impressed with the building and think that everything was done very well. The installation of a building like this on the water is going to take a lot longer than installation on land, obviously. So, because you have a floating platform where you put 800 pounds on this corner goes up, this corner goes down. I mean, you've got a whole nother set of issues in building this. So this did take months instead of a week to put a building like this up. Any question that you would have during the construction of your building or the planning of your building is handled promptly, quickly. There's no phone tag business going on. It's all a very smooth, seamless communication. I think buying an Armstrong building was a smooth and enjoyable process. I had no problems at any point during the planning or construction. So I think you're in good hands with Armstrong, helping you to create your building. Thanks, Armstrong Steel. Love the building. Enjoy it for years and years to come.